Hey guys, it's personal injury and accident attorney Kevin Sullivan from Pipas Law Group, back with another accident breakdown. So we're going to go over some news we found in regards to that Lamborghini accident that we talked about previously, with the young lady being very upset after she rear-ended that Lamborghini. So you'll see in the video prior, and I'll link it down below, that she actually accused the Lamborghini owner of hitting her prior. Now, there's been some new video footage that has actually come out that has shown that and it's not incredibly clear, but it shows that the Lamborghini owner looked to have cut her off, sideswiping her, just as she said in the video. And then afterward, I'm not sure how she ended up rear-ending him after, if she was trying to track him down or what. I don't know how that kind of evolved there. But what she says looks to be true, and you'll see the photos coming up right here that show that there is marks on the Lamborghini. So some advice along the way, and this is not rather legal advice, this is just my opinion in regards to this accident. So number one is make sure you take photos. These photos are very important, like I said, especially in proving fault in a questionable liability situation like this. Number two is request video footage. Like I said in the prior video, very important, this accident. Now liability could be shifting the other way. So that's huge. Make sure you get that video footage. Another thing I want to say is be very careful about what you post on social media. I always recommend clients not post anything about the accident on social media, because things could blow up like this. It's the he said, she said. It's just better off to not post anything on social media after you are involved in an accident. And especially, like you saw in the photo prior, I would not recommend anybody posting something along the lines of, I'm going to get that bread. That's not a good look. It looks like you're not pursuing the case for the right reasons, meaning that you're trying to get monies for medical expenses, future medical expenses, etc. It looks like you're just out to get a check, which is not a good look. So definitely would make sure that you're not posting anything on social media. Now, the big question is this considered two accidents? And I could make the argument on either side. On the one side, I could say that the accident was basically all in the same kind of common nucleus of operative facts, meaning that it all arose out of that initial impact. But then I could say that there are two very different impacts, one in the front end and then now a second in the back end. Therefore, that should be considered two accidents. At the end of the day, it depends on who you're representing. Obviously, if you're just the young lady, then you'll want it to be one accident, or representing the young lady rather. But if you're the Lamborghini owner, then you'll want it to be two accidents. It's a toss-up. I mean, it depends, like I said, who you're representing. I will say again, make sure you're careful about what you post on social media. This whole thing would have not unraveled the way it did and basically went viral if it was not posted on social media. And now this is going to get a lot of extra scrutiny and attention, probably more than it would have gotten in the first place, even with a Lamborghini involved. So as always, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to give me a call anytime or look me up at lawkevin.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.